Hello everyone! Today we're gonna be making this super easy but very nutritious beet juice. So let's get started! I will be using the vibrant red beets as well as the golden beets for this recipe. The red beets taste a little more earthy while the golden beets taste a little more sweeter with less earthy flavor to it. They are pretty much identical when it comes to nutritional value and both add plenty of essential vitamins and minerals to your diet. So it's up to you which one you want to use. I always like cleaning the produce that I'm going to use for fresh juices thoroughly by adding a little bit of white vinegar to the water. All you have to do is add a splash of vinegar into the water and then scrub and clean the beetroot and the leafy greens. For this recipe, I will also add 1 large orange, 2 apples to add sweetness to the juice, ginger, and 1 lemon for added vitamins and nutrients. Wash all the fruits thoroughly as well with vinegar water. To prepare the beets, I pretty much just cut out the stems and leaves from the beetroot and peel the beetroot before slicing into smaller chunks. Beets have a long list of benefits and helpful plant compounds that help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Beets are rich in folate, which helps cells grow and function. Folate reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke because it helps control damage to blood vessels. Beets contains betalains, which gives it a very vibrant color. This color is so vibrant and so potent that it can stain your hand, so use a glove to protect your hand from stains. Since I will not be using a juicer for this recipe, I very thinly peel the orange as I will add this to the juice to add this very fragrant citrus smell to the juice. Then I peel off the white soft part of the peel to expose just the flesh of the orange, which I will add to the juice. Then peel the ginger with a spoon and slice it up with a knife, of course. Don't forget to slice up your apples and remove the core. You can use 1 or 2 apples depending on how sweet you want your juice to be. Then finally, just juice your lemon. You can use 2 lemons for this recipe if you don't mind your juice a little sour from the lemon. Then all we have to do is place everything in a blender and add 2 cups of water. Beets are full of nitric oxide, which helps increase blood flow to your muscles and help increase stamina. So this juice is great to take before a workout as it helps your heart and lungs work better during exercise. Beets not only help with your immune system, it also helps cleanses the blood and liver, which then helps support healthy skin and also encourages weight loss. Not only can you use beetroots, you can also eat and use the leaves and stems of this plant. So make sure you did wash and clean everything, as we will use the leaves as well for the smoothie. The leaves of the beet will also add the added fiber to your super juice. The leaves of the beets are packed with nutrition as well, including antioxidants that helps fight cell damage, and it will also add fiber to your super juice. After blending everything until nice and smooth, you can enjoy it as it is with all the fibers, or you can strain the juice using a strainer or a cloth. And then finally, we're gonna add in some fresh lemon juice to add extra vitamins and minerals. And there you have it. That's our easy and delicious beet juice. Enjoy this easy and delicious superfood. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and healthy recipes. See you next time!